Okay, now we're driving to the strawberry
We are
field.
going to the strawberry field and then we're going to go to the bank.
Okay, we just went up to that mountain if you saw. Oh, look at this duck. Yeah. There's a duck. Yeah, there's a duck.
Sit properly.
So on this very day, myself and my two youngest children, we went out to the farm, to the local farm quite close by to us, and I just decided just to have it was another random day out. On the same day we went to the mountain, I later on took them to the farm, and we just went out to pick some strawberries. I mean, it was the first time ever been to the farm, ever been out. Up some strawberries, so went to the strawberry field, and we picked up quite a few different type of fruits on this day.
The cornfield.
If you go through the corn.
Okay, so this is some of the corns.
And when we got to the moment we got to this to the cornfield, my little boy called it a bamboo. I said, "Mommy, look, check out, it's the bamboo tree." And I had to correct him immediately. I mean, it's really nice to just really educate the children, like going out on a day out like this, letting them know how certain fruits and vegetables we eat, how they grow, and not just consuming them, but just knowing how they grow. It was really nice and quite a lot of information and educative for them as well on this day.
I think this one. This one.
To the farm was quite a quick fun day. Couldn't stay out as long as I wanted to on the day that we went to the farm. My husband was at home on that day, and I didn't want to keep him at home with a bit too long with the carer. I had to rush back home. Basically, I had to rush back home to take care of my husband. able to pick as much fruits and vegetable like we would have wanted to, because at one point then I started rushing the children to hurry up for us to get back home as soon as possible. But with the sweet corn that we picked, I remember the sweet corn was so sweet. They were really, really sweet, and the apples were very, very small. I mean, it took us like a couple of days before we start digging into the apple, because we thought, oh my goodness, they look so small and tiny, but they were absolutely delicious. The apples were so delicious. Likewise, the raspberry as well was so delicious. I wished we had picked more raspberries on that day compared to the strawberries. The strawberries were not as sweet. Like, we didn't finish spending all our money on the day. It was £4 to get in, and we didn't finish spending all our money because I was rushing, on that day just to rush back home as soon as possible to my husband. So I didn't pick as much as I would wanted to with fruits and vegetables. So it would literally, I think the whole day staying in the farm was probably about 30 minutes there, just picking what we could. But it's a day out that I would like to try again next year, summer 2021. But I hope you really enjoy watching this video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope to catch you in my next one. Take care. Bye bye.